5 home remedies for cholera. Cholera epidemics claims many lives every year in underdeveloped and developing countries. It is an infection caused by bacterium Vibrio cholera that mostly affects the small intestine. This infection can spread from contaminated water, raw fruits, vegetables, grains, raw or inadequately cooked fish, and seafood, and contaminated feces. It is very common among children under the 5 year of age. It can affect people of other ages too. Within a week of ingesting the bacteria, symptoms will start showing that they can range from mild to severe. Increase fluid intake. The first step in treating cholera should be dehydration. Due to diarrhea, there is a high chance of becoming dehydrated, and this can worsen your condition. So drink lots of water to keep your body hydrated, but not just any water. You need to drink bottled water or water purified with iodine or chlorine. To be on the safe side, boil your water before drinking it. Along with water, you can also drink coconut water, buttermilk, herbal tea, or orange juice to add your tea. Number 2 is homemade ORS. Prompt restoration of the lost fluids and salt through oral dehydration solution can help to reduce the intensity of the symptoms and aid quick recovery. You can also use ORS approved by the World Health Organization that are readily available in the market. You can also have ORS at home. ORS prevents rehydration. Mix 1/2 small spoon of the salt, 6 small spoons of the sugar in the 1 liter, 4 cups of the water. Drink this as many times as possible until you recover completely. Number 3 is probiotic yogurt. Probiotic yogurt is also effective in curing cholera. It contains healthy bacteria that promotes the digestion and help to fight off the bacteria causing cholera. Plus, probiotic yogurt is good for your immune system. Eat 2 to 3 cups of the plain probiotic yogurt daily until you get relief. You can add some banana slices to it and added benefit. Number 4 is ginger. Being a natural antibiotic, ginger helps to fight the infection and cure the cholera. It can also help to get rid of the diarrhea, stomach cramps, and abdominal pain. Grate a small piece of the ginger and mix it with 1 teaspoon of the honey. Eat the mixture to improve your digestive process. Lemon is also helpful in treating the cholera due to its antibacterial property. It can help to destroy the harmful bacteria in the intestines and digestive system that can cause cholera. Plus, the vitamin C lemon boosts the immune system to speed up the recovery. Mix the juice of the half lemon in a glass of water. Add a little honey and salt and stir it well. Drink it at regular intervals until you recover completely.
You like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.